to our health and opportunity presentation and experience. Wow, are you excited? Yes or yes? Thank you for watching Miss Clavel. Good morning. Why good morning? Because it symbolizes new hope, new beginning, and new miracle. Because the sun never sets with lifestyles. Yes. Do you want to stay healthy in an unhealthy world? Or do you want to stay young and beautiful at any age? Yes, all of us, we want that. Am I right? Wow. And of course, if money was no object, what do you want to be, do, or have? Wow, so excited. And of course, do you want cars? Yes, all we want cars. No, so far, wow, it is our one of our dreams. Wow, do you want to travel? Local and international. Wow, so excited. And do you want to contribute like the Children's Hospital charity? Wow. And here we're going to help to achieve your dreams because we have the best company, the lifestyles. Second, we have the best products, Intra, Nutria Plus, Fiber Life, and Cardio Life. And of course, we have the best compensation plan. Yes, we're good. We are so very excited. And now we're going to talk about our lifestyles. Second, the products. And third, the lifestyles opportunity. And of course, fourth, how you can get involved. Wow, excited? Yes or yes? Here in Lifestyles, we have the mission. Of course, it is to provide health and wellness solutions to help people live better every day. Wow. And of course, here, we're going to introduce to you our first speaker. Wow, bonggang-bongga tong speaker na to. She is, of course, our, and our first speakers, she is, wow, a cum laude of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Yes, a traditional business owner or an online seller, a winner of Lifestyles Rookie of the Year 2022, a class first owner of 90-day program batch 9 and 10. Of course, a product of our own products. Please help me welcome our National Marketing Director, Ms. Lizelle and Villa Cruzes. Take it away, NMD.
Good morning, lifestylers. I'm here to present to you the background of our company. Lifestyles was founded in 1989 in Toronto, Canada. Offices are in 17 countries worldwide. In fact, it ships more than 43 countries and counting. One of the leading health and nutrition companies in the world and largest one headquartered in Canada. Many of distributors have created millions of dollars businesses from their own homes, meaning no rental, and we work at the comfort of our home. Proud member of Direct Selling Association, meaning legit na legit ang company natin. All products are manufactured in Canada, so we create our own products and offers local and international incentive trips. So our company is dedicated offering wellness and products that are effective, safe, and competitively priced with experience of senior management team focused on distributor success and customer satisfaction. In fact, we are only the company that guarantees the 30-day money-back guarantee because we are concerned more of our customer satisfaction with expertise in product, research and development, marketing, communication, information technology, and a lot more. Our purpose in this company is to help achieve financial freedom and better health through a proven system and tested business models. With this, we are providing our proven support and training system. In fact, we have online and face-to-face training because this training will serve as incubator in order for our business to grow. We have quality products, best products in the world that won't let you down. We have a lucrative compensation plan, best compensation plan, wherein manicurista, tricycle driver will become a millionaire, an established and secured company that you can partner with in complete confidence, wherein we have a support system here. We rise by lifting others. So that's it. According to study, the wellness industry today, with World Health Organization in 2016, where in fact 17 million died in cardiovascular disease. That's very scary, right? 31% globally mortality, and Center of Disease Control and Prevention, wherein heart disease is the leading cause of death. And in fact, heart disease is the number one cause of death nowadays. And according to American Hospital Association 2019, approximately 121 million US adults have some form of cardiovascular disease. So that is very scary. So major risk factors are the following: high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, high blood sugar levels, and then the lifestyles or obesity or overweight and smoking. The risk of developing cancer increases in advancing age. So wherein the third leading cause of death nowadays is cancer. So we should be thankful for our company, the Lifestyle Company, because they find solutions and business for today's lifestyle. So do you know someone who would be interested in boosting their immune system? Type me. So interesting, increasing their energy and vitality. So do you know someone preventing diseases, wanting to stay young and beautiful at any age? That's me. So it's appealing to everyone. And in that case, Intra is our number one product. This one is our phenomenal product. And this is our star player. Over 25 years around the world, with pleasant tasting, wherein everybody loves the taste so much, containing 23 botanical extracts, unique formula exclusive to Lifestyle distributors, enjoyed by millions and satisfied customers worldwide, and formula unchanged since 1992. Intra users report fast and noticeable health improvements, wherein many report orders and business opportunities. So amazing. So this is a comparative chart by PubMed. And PubMed is a research engine created by US National Library of Medicine. This chart is telling us that Intra is the only food supplement that addresses our 8 biological systems. It gives the body the complete wellness. Intra helps support our 8 biological systems by making our heart healthy. So no more constipation, for healthy digestion and energy booster. So you got all the energy all throughout the day. It also gives us antioxidants that eliminate toxins and free radicals that can damage our cells. Endocrines that help balances our hormones that may prevent myoma, goiter. And Intra also supports our immune system that really allows the body to fight on its own, and immune system will act as little doctors in our body. For people who are forgetful, so sa may amnesia sa utang, offer them Intra, for it helps boost our memory or our nerve health to prevent dementia and even Alzheimer's. Intra supports our reproductive system, that it balances our hormones for females, so bye-bye dysmenorrhea. And lastly, it also helps our skeletal system problems, so no more arthritis or rheuma. That's how amazing Intra works, right? So you can drink Intra with or without food in your own preferences. Juice lang yung Intra, pero juice that solves million of problems worldwide. wide. So next product is Nutria Plus. Nutria Plus is our ultimate antioxidant. So this will serve also our beauty peel. So this is the natural health product to be formulated by using zebra fish. So why zebra fish? Because zebra fish has a genetic structure that is close to humans and they have the same organs, tissues as human as well. So the second one is a 12 synergistic plant-based ingredients, including vitamin C and selenium. So meaning that if selenium is an organic selenoexyl, this amazing nutrient is very vital for our health, and this will serve as cancer prevention as well. So proven benefits: it reduces abnormal cell growth like cancer cells, reduces inflammations at the cellular level, it slows down the effect of aging. So if the result of drinking Nutria Plus is age is just a number. So if you combine it with Intra, it gives more antioxidants, it gives cell protection power, and more cellular nutrition. Isn't it amazing? So if you take Nutria Plus, maging baby girl at baby boy na kayo. So try it now. So the third product is Fiber Life. So that's it. That's my favorite among all the, lahat naman sila favorite ko, pero Fiber Life, yung life ko. Why? I would ask you one question. Why madami yung matataba? Diba? It's all because wrong yung food intake natin, lack of exercise, and most especially lack of fiber. This factor may lead to formation of toxins in our digestive system. And when toxins are formed in our digestive system, it slows down the digestion of food. Kahit puno-puno pa ito ng nutrients, walang kwenta ito kasi slow down na po yung digestion. So wala nang proper digestion. Kaya without you knowing, tataba at tataba kayo. The best solution is you have to take Fiber Life, because scientists called Fiber Life as a miracle nutrient. Why miracle nutrient? Because it removes excess fat, sugar, cholesterol from your body. It is a supplement that body deficiency in fiber. It maintains and controls a healthy body weight. It controls appetite by creating the feeling of fullness. So I don't need any food right now. If ever I'm hungry, I just get the capsule cell, put the Fiber Life capsule in the water, and I'll drink it. So that will serve as my food. Isn't it amazing? So it will also reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart and cardiovascular diseases. And knowing diabetes is the fast-growing diseases in the country. And so the next product is CardioLife. It contains vitamins and minerals and plant extracts, including Vita MK7. Vita MK2 brand is a unique and well-studied formula or ingredients. Use CardioLife every day to aid a healthy and blood circulation for healthy arteries and blood vessels, strong and healthy heart, maximizing brain health and overall well-being bones, and strengthening and removing calcium from the blood and depositing it in the bones. So CardioLife will serve as food of your heart. So that's it. You have to drink CardioLife because tribor talaga ang heart disease. Kausap mo pa kahapon, bukas patay na. So our next product is our Better Together kit. That's 2 Intra, that's 1 Nutria Plus, and 1 Fiber Life, and 1 CardioLife. The price would be 8,400. And I would ask you a question. When was the last time you invest in your health? Di ba wala kayong masagot kasi you don't value your health. So we have to invest in our health, and we need to detox or do the general cleaning sa body natin. Always put in your mind and in your heart that our body is the income generating asset. If you are sick, you are nothing. Goodbye sa mga dreams niyo. So you need to invest in our premium detox program because it provides 250 health building properties and it works synergistic effects that will happen and super effective talaga ito. Our detoxification program is for 3 months. If you want a great result, because there is no magic in here. The first month will be cleansing. It starts to expel toxins out from your body. Second month is nourishing, where its cleansing has been completed and body begins to improve its function. And lastly, the third month is strengthening or rebuilding. It regains the optimal health. If you have all the lifestyle products in your home, para ka ng may mini hospital. Why? Intra will act as a doctor, Nutria Plus as a nurse, and Fiberlife as a dietitian, and Cardiolife as a cardiologist. Isn't it amazing? So this is our natural source organic. Our product quality is a premium quality natural source. So meaning organic siya, made of roots, berries, leaves, and roots, wherein it's really organic, walang chemical or medical. It is manufactured under the world's most stringent quality control, regulated by Health Canada, measured by good manufacturing practice, and HACCP standard hazardous analysis critical control points. And it is also scientifically formulated to meet your health requirements, carefully tested by independent ISO certified laboratories to ensure safety and purity and reliability. Sorry. So that's it. So that ends my slide. And we have to take good care of our body because we only have one body to live. Our body loves us and we have to love our body back. And we have to keep it healthy and alive. So good health is the best gift that you can give to yourself. Truly health is wealth and wealth is health, and lifestyle products bring hope to every home. So this is my lifestyle journey. So before I'm working in a hotel, I'm an online seller. Grabe yung sipag ko kahit anong trending na product, pinapatulan ko yan because I love selling so much. Pero yung sipag ko ay parang wala lang because I'm in the wrong business opportunity. Not until I met my angel upline, Rubilin de los Santos. I was thinking, sinabihan ko siya, if hindi ka gumaganda, hindi ka pumapayat, hindi ko makilala yung lifestyle. Grabe yung transformation niya. My angel upline, Rubilin de los Santos, grabe yung transformation niya. Naging sexy, naging maganda, naging blooming siya. That's why I asked her, ano yung secret mo? And sinabi niya sa akin na she just took lifestyle products. So that time, tinatry ko, and knowing that distributor, ang kulit ng mga distributor, so she keeps on telling me na magpa-member ako para matahimik na siya. So, gina-grab ko yung opportunity to be a member. So, half-hearted lang ako dyan kasi yung goal ko, gumanda lang, pero God doesn't want me to be like that. He wants me to do my 100% passion in doing the lifestyle mission, as well as 100% trust about the product. So yung God gave me yung my blockbuster story for me to tell to the world how good our products are. So this is my blockbuster story. I saw my friend's post na hospital yung mother niya. And then I told her na try this product kasi marami ng mga positive comments. But she rejected me. So okay lang, we are not here to convince, but we are here to educate. 7 days in the hospital with antibiotics and medication, with proper medication. She called me up and then he told me na walang effect. Yung fever ng mother niya, 40 Celsius, nag-chill at yung bacteria umabot sa ulo. So that's the time she said to me that I think I need your product. Without hesitation, pinadalhan ko siya sa hospital, and now he's getting healthier, healthier, healthier every day at the age of 76. So hindi na bumabalik sa hospital. So that's it. From that moment, that will serve as my eye opener that I have to do my mission. I have to tell to the world how good lifestyle products are. So no mercy. I don't pre-qualify persons. As long as you are breathing, I have to share. I will do my STPs, and that resulted to my promotion 11 months as a national marketing director. Walang pagod. I just love what I'm doing. So from that on, I was awarded, in this company, yung hard work mo is being appreciated. I was awarded as a Rookie of the Year last gala. And then you became the best version of yourself. Kasi yung before, para kung mamamatay, if I talk to person like this or face-to-face, para akong mamamatay talaga. But you have to grow. Kasi sabi ni GMD Eva, the road to GMD is the microphone. So that's why I keep on, because all skills are learnable. So I have to follow what my mentor told me to do. So with the Boracay incentive, this is my first incentive. So grabe talaga, best experience ever that I would cherish forever. Kasi yung grabe yung mga first time ko dito, first time mag-island hopping, first time mag-banana boat, first time mag-parasailing, grabe talaga. And for most especially to my mentors, thank you so much to my mentors. Because in times of rejections and downfall, I will just look at their pictures and I will tell to myself na one day I will be like them. One day, maging millionaire din ako, di ba? And this is my last slide. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Because being part of lifestyle is an answered prayer. I'm just working on it without me knowing. God is working on it. Thank you and good morning.
Wow, thank you so much, NMD. And are you amazing? Is it amazing? Please comment down below. And now introducing to you our second speaker. Wow, excited. She is a registered electrical engineer by profession with over 20 years experience in supply chain management and almost a decade as college instructor. She was also a former regional governor of Central and Eastern Visayas of the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers of the Philippines. And of course, she was also a founding president of IIEE Singapore chapter. Please help me welcome Executive Director, Ms. Lani Paiko Mirambel. Take it away, Executive Director.
Good morning, everyone. My task today is to share the lifestyle opportunity by turning the use of powerful products into a successful business. Is it not amazing? Type amazing in the comment box. Our products are sold through network marketing, distribution model. In our technology now, the number one marketing tool is the networking, because instead of paying media such as television, newspaper, and other means, we make use of our network to promote our business. So networking is everywhere. It is not a scam. The one that makes it scam is the direct selling company, which is not legit, not registered to DSA. The opportunity that Lifestyle provides is in partnership with reputable and secured companies with proven products, proven company, and most of all, proven success. With low initial investment but high income potential. You are the boss. You own your time. You build your own network and you earn income for life. The more you share the opportunity, the greater your earning potential. Wow, only Lifestyle can provide this. Do you agree? Type in the comment box, bless if you agree. So what is our advantage versus other companies? Lifestyle is the leading wellness products Every business partners are provided with trainings and supports such as we have the FB page like the Good Morning World, Lifestyle PH, and a lot more. We also have 24/7 online tool for every distributor. We call it the Personal Business Center or our PBC, where you can access your business reports, online ordering, and free personal website. We also have our franchising kit that will help you in the duplication system. We also have the Business Owners Pro website that will provide you 24/7 online support. So if you are a business-minded, first thing that comes to your mind is, do I have a future in this business? Wellness products? Yes, of course, you have a very good future here. The global wellness economy was 4.5 trillion market in 2018. Internet sales for health market has reached to 368 billion US dollar. According to the third richest man in the world, Warren Buffett, one of the best investments I ever made is network marketing. So network marketing today is more widely accepted than any time in its 60 plus years history. So we have 5 streams of income in lifestyle. The first one is the retailing. This will give you 20 to 40% profit. Wholesale is the second one. This will give you 10 to 20% profit from your line of sponsorship. The third one is the fast track bonus, another 4% profit from your line of sponsorship. The fourth one is the royalty bonus. This is the bonus earned from the volume of your direct distributor, which is around 4 to 6% profit. The fifth one is what we call organizational bonus. We call this our infinity bonuses. And this will apply once you reach the national marketing director level and above. This covers your entire organization that will give you 1 to 3% profit. You can further understand our 5 ways to earn by studying our compensation plan presentation available in our Business Pro website. So you want more bonuses, more income, be a lifestyler. Let's further understand the royalty bonus. If this is you, you only need 6 people that we are going to train. We call it as 3T, Tabangan, Tudluan, Taparan, or Kuyugan. And these 6 people will also look for another 6. Then we again do the process of teaching them, training them, guiding them. 6, another 6, and so on. In the next 3 to 5 years, your organization will grow up to 9,330. You don't know a lot of them already as you only started with 6 people. But not all of these 9,330 people will be active in the next 3 to 5 years. So let's use the safest statistics. Only 20% are active, and that is 1,866 people. And they are going to order 3 BT kits monthly as consumption. How much will be your royalty bonus per month? It's 1,511,460 pesos month after month. Are you excited? Are you interested? Type interested in the comment box. Of course, you should be interested to be a distributor. So how will I invest? All businesses requires investment. So there are 2 ways to invest. The first one is what we call instant direct, where the company will give you an outright 30% discount. And you will get 17 BT kits. And instead of paying 142,800, you will only pay 105,960. And you have 9 free bottles of Intra. And that 9 bottles is equivalent to 16,200 pesos. Your profit saving is 53,040 pesos. And your return on investment is 50%. The second investment is what we call Express Direct, where the company will give you an outright of 20% discount. And you will get 9 tickets, and instead of paying 75,600, you will only pay 64,480. And you will have 3 bottles of Intra free. That is equivalent to 5,400 pesos. Your profit and saving is 16,520 pesos. And your return on investment is 26%. Included in your investment is a 1 million accident insurance or a 100K hospital reimbursement. And there's more. You are now 40% discount in your next purchases. So what do you want to be? How much would you like to earn? This is the ladder of success in lifestyle and your potential income. It starts with being an independent distributor where you earn up to 20,000. The next level will be a direct distributor where you will be earning 20 to 40,000. Regional director will be earning 40 to 75,000. Executive director and the power leg, you can earn up to 75 to 200,000. National Marketing Director, you earn up to 200 to 500,000. International Marketing Director, you can earn up to 500 to 1 million pesos. And the highest ladder in lifestyle is the Global Marketing Director with more than 1 million potential income. Do you want to be successful? Then dream, work, and be teachable. Step on board and begin your journey of a lifetime. So let me share to you my lifestyle journey. In December 2022, I used the product when I heard about the story of a stay-out cleaner on her 16-year-old daughter, 7 days in ICU due to liver problem. After taking Intra juice, she was released from hospital. So I invested on that month an express package purely for consumption as I am a survivor of 2 times myoma operation and our family history mostly died due to cancer. First week of March 2023, GMDMM invited me to attend Hope Mactan in ICM. And that was the turning point where it led me to see I am in the right company and powerful products. I then made a decision to keep using products and do the business as well. March 30, 2023, I ended up my employment as materials planning manager of an American multinational company in Mactan Economic Zone. And I opted to do freelance job and full-time with lifestyle. In less than a month, I received my first check. That's amazing business. So with lifestyle, we are missionaries. We go where we are led. It may be at marketplaces, public places, and individual homes. We are passionate to share one-on-one home meetings. We are ambassadors of goodwill through the opportunity of our powerful products. For almost 30 years of being the corporate world, managing different branches of supply chain, what I got is sakit, pag-hospital, and most of all, pagmumura ng aking mga boss. But now with lifestyle, I got young look, beautiful face, and a healthy body. Our trademark is using the 3T. Tabangan, tudluan, taparan, or kuyugan. We don't stop learning. We have continuous training. We are recognized of our performance, and we build up leaders among us. This is the duplication process. If you are in the corporate world, if you work hard and recommended for promotion, hihilain ka pababa, sisiraan ka pa, at mapolitics pa. But in lifestyle, if you work hard, walang limit ang promotion and everyone will celebrate with you. So let me end my sharing by sharing to you the portion of the book of John Maxwell on failing forward. To succeed, a person needs only 4 things. The word real, which stands for relationship, equipping, attitude, and leadership. Little progress is better than no progress at all. Success comes in taking many small steps. If you stumble in small steps, it rarely matters. Don't gift wrap the garbage. Let little failures go. Again, this is Edie Lani Mirambel, and thank you for listening and hope you are learning something today. Back to you, Power Leg Diana.
Wow! Super! Excited na ba kayo to do our mission? If yes, type excited! Wow! And I'm also excited. And now, let's listen to what people say about our exciting products and business. May I call on to our testimonies? First, please help me welcome our Executive Director, Irma Bidzer, Executive Director, 6 Qualifying Leg, Power Leg, Ms. Wijan Gienzan, and of course, our Executive Director, 6 Qualifying Leg, Power Leg, Ms. Aletha Jane Bilyeza. Yes. Take it up.
Thank you so much, Power Leg Dayan. Good morning, everyone. I am Irma Bitzer, and I was already using Intra since 5 years ago. I was not convinced to join as a franchisee because for myself, I said to myself, I can be a user because I can just use it as my daily vitamins. But when I learned that I had so many kidney stones, I was so worried about myself. And I was so lucky and fortunate because I met my GMD, Rika Paez. She convinced me to become a franchisee or distributor so that I can take as much as I want and it will help me dissolve my kidney stones. Without hesitation, I signed up as a franchisee and has been drinking more and more because, I'm already a franchisee and I have big discounts, so I was not hesitating to drink more and more. And it was really amazing. The product is really amazing because, na-flash out talaga yung kidney stones ko. I had my ultrasound after 2 months and it was very clear. Imagine there was no trace of kidney stones in my kidney. And not only that, during my challenging moment, just in the day of my coronation as Mrs. Philippines International last April 4, 2003 in Okada, Manila, I was so sick and has been vomiting due to migraine. I thought I cannot walk on the national stage anymore. So what I did is I immediately ordered Intra juices and booked it through Okada and was drinking it. Imagine how amazing the product is. In just after a few minutes, I was already in the rehearsal area for the same day's coronation. And I got crowned as the Mrs. Philippines International 2023. I'm so thankful with the lifestyles with Intra because if not for that one, I might have lost the chances of winning the main crown of Mrs. Philippines International. And, not only that, I got healed and at the same time, I was earning because I became an advocate of healthy lifestyles through Intra. So grabe, di lang ako gumaling sa sakit ko as in nakaka-receive pa ako ng check-in ng hindi ko inakala. So with that, grabe talaga ang opportunities na binibigay ng Intra sa atin. Nasa harap na natin. So nasa atin na ang pagdesisyon if we want to do a healthy lifestyle and at the same time earn extra income. So I'm encouraging everyone to join us in our mission of helping people live better every day. Thank you so much.
Yes, hello, good morning. So, I'm your 86QLPL with Yan Johnson. I'm an online seller for 8 years. So, sa 8 years na pagiging online seller and experience ko ang modern lifestyle. So, ayan, nagkasakit ako year 2020 and 2021. So, yan po, nag-experience po ako ng ovarian tumor which is stage 4 cancer. But with that, healthy lifestyle, hindi. Talagang experience ko ang stress at anumang pagkain na talagang unhealthy. So, thank you, Lifestyle Products. At dahil dyan, nagdulot ito ng sobra. Yan, nakita nyo, yan po, basura yan sa ating katawan. Yan po ang tinatawag na body pollution. So, gusto nyo ba yan? So, kung hindi, dapat go for lifestyle products na po talaga. So, yan po ang mukha ng tumor. So, dahil dyan, to sustain, at sabi ng doktor na mag-chemo ako after operation, talagang hindi ako naniwala sa doktor. Sinabihan ko siya, no, doc, mag-lifestyle products na ako, doc. So, sabi ng doktor, sige, go lang yan. So, yes to naturals, no to chemo. Nagdo ako sa business by the help of my Angel Upline and Endelis Villa Cruces. And talagang dito sa lifestyle, magdo ka sa business dahil sa yung big why. Yes, yan po aking big why. Then dito sa lifestyle, talagang di ka iiwan sa samahan, tutulungan, at maraming nagmamahal sa iyo. Yan, with my growing team, madaming first time dito sa lifestyle. Enjoy tayo dito, guys! Tara na! So, ito lang talaga ang last line ko. If you always do what you always did, you'll always get what you always got. Yes, learnings talaga dito, STP and trainings dahil GMD talaga ang patutunguhan natin. Yes or yes? Okay, so with that, good morning!
Yes, good morning! I am Aletha Jane Villesa, your ED6K LPL. Yes, I am a senior financial advisor of ProLife UK and Arakitera. So I can sell anything and everything under the sun. My lifestyle journey began when my friend Geraldine Largo and GMD Rica Paes visited me at my humble home. Yes, they shared to me how amazing our product is and its business opportunity. Yes, or yes, I'm so excited. So upon listening of GMD Rica, na-excite ako, grabe, to receive millions month after month. So I decided to join the business. Why? Because at that time, January 2021, it was a pandemic. So we have to drink health supplements because we want to boost our immune system because we don't want to get sick, di ba? Mahal magkasakit. So prevention is better than cure. So kaya nag-join talaga ako automatically ni GMD Rica kasi grabe ang business opportunity. Grabe ang amazing ang products kasi may myoma din ako at saka may moderate pneumonia. Kaya salamat sa healthy supplements ng lifestyle kasi na-address talaga siya. And I'm so thankful also with this company because your effort determines the reward. Nakita nyo yung screen. Marami talagang recognition and awards dito. So upon doing the business, you will receive a passive income month after month. My highest check here in the business, it's 89,000. And then, my first check is 89,000 and my highest check is 135,000. So I am very thankful with lifestyle opportunity and all my mentors for helping me achieving my biggest dreams. And with that, thank you and good morning.
Wow! Grabe ang mga testimonies, no? And now, I'm going to introduce to you our last speaker of today. She is a cum laude, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Eventology, a Business Honor, awarded Lifestyles Rookie of the Year 2020. And of course, she was a 2021 Lifestyles Dynamic Duo Awardee, one of our Dancing Queen here in Lifestyles, our Global Marketing Director, Rica Paes. Take it away, GMD.
Yes, good morning, mabuhay, and congratulations to all our viewers all over the world. We are so excited. We are at the last part of this program, but we are still alive and super alive because we are in the best opportunity. We are in the best company and we are in the best team. Asset Builders, are you ready? Please type ready. Yes, of course, the main reason why I joined this company because of my family, my biggest why. Kumbaga, para kanino po tayo bumabangon? That's the right question. Of course, our family. We all, hello, and good morning once again po sa lahat. Yes, we are all here because of our families. And of course, because we still remember, because parang kailan lang nag-join kami dito, 3 years ago. By June, we will be celebrating our 3rd-year anniversary with Lifestyles. We are at the midst of pandemic. Of course, with my bride and NMD Angelica, nag-visit sa office ko because for the past 3-4 months, walang event kasi closed tayo because of the pandemic. And na-realize namin, we've been using Intra since 2015 because of my asthma. At inisip namin, we pray to God, and of course, God answers our prayer right away because doon namin na-realize why not do the Intra business. Yes, at because of that, in 2 weeks doing the Lifestyles business, me and my husband promoted to executive director, and after 2 months, we became, of course, national 86QLPL, the national marketing director, and after 1 year, of course, a round of applause because I was promoted to global marketing director. Our first check is 114,000 and our combined highest check is 1.1 million when I was promoted as global marketing director. Here, passive income is real. At gaya ng sinabi ng iba, you will be recognized with our corporate because I was awarded as the rookie of the year. The second year I was recognized as dynamic do with my husband, GMD Irvy. And now we are so excited to build more millionaires in our team. So kayo mga professional dyan, non-professional, because this business are all from different walks of life, you are invited to be part of our growing team. At hindi lang yan, and remember that we have the best opportunity, the best training, the best mentorship, and the personality growth is super duper. Grabe talaga. Yes or yes, GMD Nera. Thank you for watching. GMD Eva, thank you so much to Armani Ferry for always supporting us. Of course, all the way, the brain in Cebu's team. Where will you be 3 to 5 years from now if you continue doing what you are currently doing? That's the big question. Are you happy now? Kung kayo dyan pa na member, lahat ng guests, if you are doing, ano sa palagay nyo, okay ba? Or kailangan nang mag-change. Change to become an intra distributor, change to become a franchise owner, change to become an asset builder. Yes, sabi nga winner ni NMD Angelo. Hello, mabuhay, GMD Imelda. Do you see your dreams in the future? Nakikita niyo ba yung mga pangarap niyo na matutupad? Your future is your choice. So, kumbaga, you will spend more time with your family and friends. You will take your dream vacation, live a life without it. Yun po yung nangyayari namin dito in the past 3 years. Prepare the exit plan from your job and achieve financial freedom. We are so blessed to be with this company because unti-unti pong natutupad ng mga pangarap namin. Thank you so much, Lifestyle. Again, life is a choice. Your life today is a result of your attitude and choices of the past, and your life tomorrow will be the result of the choices you make today. So start deciding if you will go for express or instant, because the moment you said yes, you are saying yes to your dreams. Excited na ba kayo to achieve your dreams? Because we are here to guide you, to support you, and to teach you. Of course, nandito po kami all-out support. The Asset Builders team are all ready to set you to the next level and, of course, achieve the highest level of the ladder of success. So again, once again, thank you so much for joining us today. If you are sure, yes, please do contact to the person who invited you today and make the best decision in life. Again, life is a choice, and here we are here not to convince you because ikaw lang po ang magko-convince sa sarili mo. Ikaw lang po ang nakakalam kung anong meron ka ngayon. So if you are not sure of your future, then it's time for you to join us and be one of the Lifestyles millionaires. Congratulations and mabuhay po tayong lahat!
Wow, thank you so much, GMD Rica Paez. You are such an inspiration to all of us. Yes, of course, thank you for joining, and get back to the person that invited you here and start achieving your dreams today.